In the RAMA 3D program, structural bars can be introduced in the plane or spatial mode. To select the mode, point the mouse cursor at the button, current operation mode, click the left mouse button and hold it. We move the cursor to the position of spatial between nodes and release the left mouse button. We have changed the bar entry mode. The plane free mode allows you to enter graphically bars at any point on the screen in one of the main planes parallel to the planes of the main coordinate system. The spatial between nodes mode allows for graphic entry of bars in any spatial arrangement only between known characteristic points of bars of the system or other auxiliary lines. The basic mode of operation is the plane free mode. In the program, we can introduce two types of rods, fixed or joined. We will introduce several rods and several rods connected to each other in a fixed way. We click and hold the left mouse button on the bar insertion button. Move the cursor to the fixed option and release the mouse button. Select the start point of the bar will appear on the screen. We click on the left mouse button in the chosen place. Next, the program asks us to select the end point of the bar. We click the left mouse button in the selected place. As you can see, we now have a line in the work area which symbolizes a construction bar. The program informs us again to indicate the next point. We click the left mouse button in a different place, and so we can immediately draw a few bars that will be connected to each other. The red square that appeared at the joins of the bars means that the bars are connected together in a fixed way. On the keyboard, we press Escape. The program displays information about indicating a new location of the bar start point. We can start drawing a new bar or press the Escape button on the keyboard again and exit the bar drawing function completely. Double-click Escape to exit the bar drawing function. Let's introduce several bars with a join by analogy. Again, we choose Insert Bar, we choose the type Joined. We indicate the bar start point and several bars end points. The symbols that appear on the connection of these rods indicates a join connection.